What's up guys, Andy from Greek's Garage, and today we're going to be showing you step by step on how to reset the oil percentage on a 2011 Honda Pilot. The first thing you're going to want to do is turn your car on to accessories. Do not start the engine. So you can see here I went a little bit over, about 357 miles. So the first thing you're going to want to do is hold the button down until you see the screen change. Okay, now you're going to want to lift up and then press and hold it down again. Then lift up again, press and hold again. And there you go, you're all reset. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.